Imagine an event venue that feels like coming home, where state-of-the-art yet warmly familiar surroundings foster community and inspiration at every turn. Welcome to the exceptional world of Zetech University, your destination for conferences crafted with heart and hospitality. Our event spaces radiate an unmistakable campus spirit, cultivated from the very foundations here to enlighten and empower. From an open, spacious auditorium that allows flexible seating arrangement to a sleek 250-seater modern amphitheater-style auditorium, each sitting is a thoughtful, future-focused canvas allowing your vision to come alive vibrantly. Our greatest asset lies in people power and devoted teams committed to forging event journeys that are unique to your needs.
To discover untapped growth sparked through experiences elevated by the importance of staying connected, our campus boasts secure and fast internet connectivity, ensuring smooth communication and seamless online experiences for all attendees. With dedicated secure parking and easy access from anywhere, your guests can arrive and depart with ease. So why wait for the ordinary when the extraordinary awaits?
We stand as a beacon of inspiration, located strategically with ease of access via public and private transportation. Zetech University is just a stone throw away from major roads and bus stops. Your guests will appreciate the convenience of our location. Choose between our bustling green courtyards or our smart board-fitted breakout rooms. Then regroup for marquee presentations inside the soaring atrium. Its light-filled grandeur amplifying core messages resonate. More than just a space and service, our campus provides the perfect backdrop for weddings, with customizable spaces and expert event planning services to bring your dream wedding to life. Join us at Kenya's Hub for Visionaries, where your event's essence is reborn. Choose Zetech University and recapture your event's soul. For more information, call us on 0719 034 500 or shoot us an email info@zetech.ac.ke. Zetech University. Invent your future.